கேமரா
That makes sense. அவன் சண்டை போட வரான். பக்கத்துல போவாத சுந்தரி வைபவ் வேணாம் பேசிட்ட வேணாம் சொன்னாங்க பாருங்க என்ன பண்ணாதீங்க சார் கொஞ்சம் அக்ரெசிவ் ஆன்சைட்டி இல்ல மேல ஏறணும் கொஞ்ச நேரம் அவங்க செட் ஆகுது பின்னாடி போடா பின்னாடி கொஞ்சம்
you just train your pets accordingly. Pura ulla Caesar, come on, ulla pura. Pura pura. அடங்க வந்து கிழிச்சு வரல Very good. So this is how your agility will be actually analyzed. Caesar அந்த காரை போட்டு வெல்ல கூட்டி வாங்க சார் ப்ளீஸ் சார். நாங்கலாம் பாவம் சார். இதுக்கு மேல போட மாட்டாரு. மார்க்ல எப்படி இருக்குன்னா நிஜமா எஜிலிட்டி டெஸ்ட் எப்படி இருக்கும்னு எனக்கு இப்பவே தெரிஞ்சு போச்சு. இது பண்ணா இருக்க போதுப்பா. For all the participants, there is also medals that is available. So please make sure you reach out to our volunteers. The volunteers கிட்ட போனீங்கன்னா இந்த participation medals இருக்கு for all the pets. Please make sure that you collect it. And we'll be starting with the inauguration in a couple of minutes. So please make sure that you have the practice done for the agility. Thank you. DJ Ajay, over to you.
கேட்டுக்கொள்கிறோம். இப்பொழுது சிறப்பான ஒரு நடன நிகழ்ச்சி நடக்கப் போகிறது. ஆகையால் பொதுமக்கள்
బాల్ పైతాన్ చూడు ఏమన్నది చూడు ఇగో ఇది చూడు ఏమన్నది
வர முடியல தூக்கிட்டு போயிடுவாங்க.
விட வா இப்படி வா தள்ளி வா. அடி யாரு
पता नहीं क्यों, लेकिन मेरे को ब्रीड अच्छी नहीं लगती, इसलिए अट्रैक्ट दिल आना चाहिए ऐसा होता नहीं। हालांकि उसकी क्या इतनी अच्छी है, इतनी सोशल है,
அது ஒரு சீட்டா மாதிரி பார்க்கவே வரேன். அவங்க தானே நம்ம ஃபர்ஸ்ட்
Coming from you is a big thing. Thank you so much. And how are you today? How are you feeling?
So yeah, Chennai, are you enjoying? Can we hear some noise? You know, listen now. I am from Delhi. Delhi वाले तो शोर मचाते हैं, चेन्नई का पता नहीं. Could we hear some noise there? चेन्नई है नहीं दिख रहा है, अभी पता नहीं चल रहा है. Chennai, could we make some noise? आप लास्ट वाला दिल्ली तक जाना चाहिए आवाज. Okay? Everybody out here. A hip hip. A hip hip. A hip hip. Hooray for Pet Gala, Chennai right there. So have fun, and I'm going to be here with you with the fun games and the fashion show and many things to follow with a lovely lady.
Daisy, hi. Daisy, hi. Hello. என்னப்பா பண்றீங்க?
What happened? What are you spelling? So how old is Daisy?
7 months.
Adopted, obviously. Adopted. So did Daisy adopt you or you adopt Daisy?
Happened in 2 ways.
Brilliant. So you know, while we are here with the Pet Gala, there's a cat show also going on. So for cats, I can tell you, you know, dogs you can go and adopt, but normally cats adopt you. So these basic things one can teach at home. It's a little bit of patience is what you require.
எல்லாரும் ஒரு மாதிரி மூட்ல தான் இருக்காங்க நினைக்கிறேன். Everybody is so moody. I don't know why.
So it's the heat. It does get to everybody, and again, especially the dogs. And yes, they don't want to enjoy. They want to be here. They want to be meeting everybody. But then again, yes,
I get it. So make sure அவருக்கு நிறைய தண்ணி கொடுங்க. I think he's very thirsty. Ron, thank you so much, Ron. I love you, Ron.
Could we have a round of applause for Ron there?
Thank you, sir. 3 years old. And yes, what talent you think he has?
He has a talent of, you know, he has a talent of recognizing red and
Okay. I don't think he'll recognize me as of now. Hey, Caesar, we are friends. சரியா? இந்த கார்டு கழட்டி விட்டா தெரியும் எப்படின்னு. அதனால நாங்க கழட்டி வர சொல்லுவோம். போற வரைக்கும் ரெக்வெஸ்ட் சார் கழட்டி மட்டும் விட்டுறாதீங்க. ஓகே, சீசர் இங்க பாருங்க சீசர். ஓ அவர் அவரே பார்த்துட்டு இருக்காங்க. சீசர் இங்க பாருங்க. சீசர். Friend, Caesar, friend. Friend, Caesar.
All right. So while we talk about beautiful German Shepherd here, let me ask everybody a question here. German Shepherd and Alsatians, because everybody confuses this element. Yeah. So Alsatians was given, this name was given by America because they did not want to call, because the Cold War, they did not want to call the German Shepherd the German Shepherd. And that's the reason this turned out to be an Alsatian from that side. But yes, they are one and the same. And I won probably a 500 rupee bet, way back. So, while we go along,
I'd like to add something. Like, சின்ன தமிழே பேசுறேன். எல்லாரும் வந்துட்டு ஜெர்மன் ஷெப்பர்ட் ரொம்ப அகேன்ஸ்ட், ஐயோ போனா கடிச்சிரும், அந்த மாதிரியே வந்துட்டு நிறைய போட்டு now German Shepherd couple from UK, they are terrorizing this bully, American bully. அதான் ஒரு breed இது பண்ணிட்டே இருக்காங்க. But actually பார்த்தீங்கன்னா German Shepherd வந்து நான் பார்த்ததுல it's very best breed of dog. Also protecting and எல்லாரும் பண்ணுறது சேவ் பண்ணுறதுலாம் is I will share an incident. One and a half week ago, not so long back, 1.5 weeks ago, a person entered my house around like 2 a.m. in the morning. He found out, he found out that person, and I don't think any other dog could have done it. Definitely other dogs could have sensed it, but இந்த மாதிரி பண்ணிருக்கேன் எனக்கு தோணுது.
ஆனா எத்தனை பேர் நம்ம பப்பீஸ வந்து செக்யூரிட்டி கார்டா யூஸ் பண்றீங்க? உண்மையா சொல்லுங்க. நீங்க எல்லாம் கீழ படுத்துறீங்க, உங்க பப்பீஸ் தான் பெட்ல.
Pet's name and your name with the console right in front of the stage on the right hand side of the stage as I point out.
Yuvraj kay dukuna. Yeah, Yuvraj register.
Mr. Yuvraj. All pet parents wanting to participate in any kind of event or the activities which are going on, including the fashion show, please register your names with Mr. Yuvraj in the console on the right hand side of the stage.
எல்லாரும் ரொம்ப தாமசா இருக்காங்க நினைக்கிறேன்.
ஆக்சுவலா அது ஒபீடியன்ஸ். இப்போ ட்ரீட் வச்சிட்டு சாப்பிடாதெல்லாம் சாப்பிட மாட்டேன்.
This is really a form for you guys. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
இங்க வா. இங்க வா. ஆல.
அங்க பண்றாங்க.
You can always move ahead and find a chair. Move ahead and find a chair. There are ample chairs. Move ahead. See? Do you have a chair? Yes. We have. This is the check down. We have not removed the chair. Yeah. So इस बार कोई out नहीं होता है. Nobody is out. So you can't sit from here. You have to go around. You have to go around. You have to go around, and now you'll have to join me here. Come. Could we hear it for our little guy over there? What's his name? Bhairav, please, Talia, please. Move to the next chair. Move to the next chair. There's still one chair, and I'm sure you'll have to join me here with the Labrador. Come, please. What's your pet's? There's a chair ahead. And did you just come in? You just joined in, right? So should we give her a chance? She just came in. Should we give her another chance? Go ahead, music please. You will have to go around. You're blocking the way. Don't do that. Don't pet your pet in between, please. Yeah, short leashes. That's the reason I had mentioned. Short leashes, please. There is a chair, you gotta move, but yes. Alright, so you also deserve another chance. ये चलो आपका chair आपका लेके जाओ. No, come on, he's tired. Let's help him. Yeah? Come. Creatures, including all of us, yeah? We are celebrating our pets. Music, please. More, go around, go around, go around. You could have tried, you didn't. Come, join me now. All right, what's your name, beautiful one?
Lokshita.
And iska kya naam hai?
Leah.
Leah with Lokshita. Could we have a round of applause, guys? Give it up. Thank you. And that's really sporting of all the kids. Now again, now you gotta join me. What's your name? And what's your pet's name? Shinchan and Sham Sundar. Could we have a round of applause, guys? Yeah, lovely looking pet over there. And a high five here. And top 3 guys. Music. Come join me here. Anyways, you will stay on the stage. And number 2, we have a beagle. You got that, that's competition. Meri seat thi. Why don't you have a seat still? Yeah, your name and your pet's name.
My name is Tanmoy and Vicky the boss.
Vicky the boss. And how did that name happen?
He's always like a boss.
I thought he participated in the Big Boss or something like that.
Not yet. If there is any veterinary Big Boss, then we will give it.
Why not? Could we have a round of applause for the big boss over here? And at number 2, fully. Yeah? He said, this is my seat, I have won it, and I am not going to give it away. Your name and your pet's name.
So my name is Hari and he is Bablu.
Bablu, you adopted? Or you took him?
I adopted.
How many years back?
So 7 years back.
7 years. So he was a puppy or you adopted when he was older?
Puppy.
So 7 years and 7 beautiful years. Guys, round of applause for Bablu here. Yeah, why did you just pose for the camera, please? Thank you so much. Congratulations, guys. Round of applause over there.
The goodie bag is sponsored by Just Dogs. Thank you so much, Just Dogs, for presenting us with the goodie bags. Second place.
Thank you. And just stay on for a group photograph. And for the first place.
That's for Bablu, right? Bablu.
Round of applause, guys. And the winner's trophy and the prizes. And could we give it to the camera? Could we just hold on? Yes, join us for the good photograph, please. Just join us from that side. Look up, the camera is right there. Thank you so much. Round of applause, guys, for the winners. Give it up one more time. That's so lovely, but you're wearing a cat t-shirt. Because it's a cat show as well. Give me a high five for that. High five. Thank you. Thank you so much. Please. Music, please. Guys, round of applause. And thank you so much. And with that, we have some celebrities joining us.
Yes. Adding to that, we have an actor, a model, and a most loved and celebrated personality. So, an actor. Adil Durai. Can we please have you guys?
From this side, please.
And we also have a model to today's occasion for the evening. Can we please have Vicky on the dais? Mr. Vicky? A round of applause for all the celebrities over here. Hi, Jyoti ma'am. Hi, how are you?
Yeah, first of all, thank you so much, Pet Gala, for inviting us here. Usually there's a saying, getting a pet is not easy. It's a blessing from God. Not everybody gets that. Not everybody gets to have a pet in their house. I know many of you are here, you wanted to have a pet, but you're not able to have. So, pets are the only thing which share unconditional love. Without any expectation. They don't expect anything from you. They just share their love like anything, So, blessed people, happy to meet you all there and thank you.
What do you have to say about Pet Gala, in fact?
It's a wonderful show and I've already been here last year. So, this is my second year. It just gives a peace of mind. You will not be able to describe the peace of mind in words. Literally has no words. Listing it is like a memory. I'm waiting for the next year also. Thank you.
And do you have a pet at home?
Yeah, I had.
You had. Okay. So, இப்போ இதுக்கப்புறம் நீங்க ஏதாவது வாங்கணும்னு நினைச்சீங்கன்னா, we also have adoption drive that's going on. Please do look at them.
Yes. And definitely, please adopt. Please adopt. Don't buy. Please adopt. அது ரொம்ப முக்கியம். ஏன்னா நம்மளுக்கு தெரியும்ல ஒருத்தவங்க இல்லைன்னா எவ்வளவு கஷ்டம் நம்மளுக்கு தெரியும் ஒருத்தவங்க கூட இருக்கும்போது அதோட சந்தோஷம் வந்து வார்த்தைகள் கிடையாது அதனால definitely please do adopt many of them are waiting for your adoption.
Thank you sir, over to you.
ஆக்சுவலாக நாங்கள் இது செகண்ட் டைம் பெட் கேலா வரோம் நாங்கள் லாஸ்ட் டைம் வந்தப்போவுமே வந்து தள்ளி இருந்தாங்க வந்து பெட் கேலா எப்படி நான் வந்துடுவேன் லாஸ்ட் 3 நாளாக நான் கால் பண்ணியிருக்கேன் எதுக்கு ப்ராஜெக்ட் கொடுக்குறது நேஷனல் சொல்லி ஒரு ப்ராஜெக்ட் ஸோ அது ப்ரமோட் So basically,
videos
அது ஹேஷ் அப்படின்னு
நம்மளுக்கு நிறைய பேஷன்ஸ் இருக்கும், அதை தாண்டி பெட்ஸுக்கு நிறைய பேஷன்ஸ் இருக்காங்க. பாவம் ரொம்ப நேரமா ஷோக்காண்டி வெயிட் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்காங்க. ஸோ எனக்கு தெரிஞ்சு அது தட்ஸ் மேக் சென்ஸ். அவங்க வந்து பெர்ஃபார்ம் பண்ணிட்டோம், நாங்க அப்புறம் பண்ணிக்கலாம் டிவியில். தேங்க்யூ.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you. You've been a lovely sport. Thank you guys.